So in order to start a conversation using the Google Hangouts Chrome extension, what you have to do is click on New Conversation and then choose the person that you want to start the conversation with. So I'm just going to go around over here and choose the one who's online and say hi, just like this. And what the other user will see is even if they're accessing the web version, they'll be able to reply you back just like that. And then over here, you can see that you can have a conversation. You can also do video conference right here by clicking on this button just like that. And I don't have any webcam plugged in right now, but now what happens is I'm just going to close out my webcam. The other person can answer it out and then start talking. So they can go around and then accept the call just like that. And then you guys can start talking over here. Go around, send the message over here. And it's just like how you would do it on the web version of the application. All the functions, all the ways, the communication, the way to send pictures, the way to send files and everything else is the same as the web version. Over here, you have an option to share the screen, you have an option to chat and so forth. You can go full screen if you want, and there you go. So it's just the web version all over again as an extension, which is much more accessible. So that is how you can send messages and make calls by using the Google Hangouts Chrome extension. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.